Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube video. Now, before you delete any videos of your channel, think long and hard before you do so. Because when you do it, you lose a video permanently along with the comments. But more importantly, you lose the views and your watch time, which can be very important if you're working towards monetizing your content on YouTube. Now, to the point. When you're logged into YouTube, you should see your channel logo in the top right hand corner of most YouTube screens. If you click on that, you have the option to go to YouTube Studio. Or if you type in studio.youtube.com, it will take you to the Studio page. This is your new Studio dashboard screen. From here, you can click on Content and it will show your 30 most recent videos on your channel. To delete a video, hover your mouse on the video you want to delete and you should see the three dots which are your options. If you click on this, you will get the option to delete forever. Click on that and YouTube will give you a final confirmation. As you can see, this is a permanent action. Once you delete the video, you can't retrieve it from YouTube and you will lose all the comments that go along with it. Once you understand this, check the appropriate box, click delete and your video is gone forever. You also have the option to do a bulk deletion as well. So if you decide that, what you have to do is select the videos you want to delete and this time another menu will pop up on top. Go into more actions and then you will see that it says delete forever. Click on that and you will get the exact same pop-up like before. From your phone, go into the Creator Studio app and from your Studio dashboard, go into the menu on the top left and you will see all your videos. So once videos open up, you can go ahead and click on your desired video that you want to delete and then you go into edit at the top right and from there you go into advanced settings and then from advanced settings you can see at the bottom it says delete from YouTube and it will ask if you are sure you want to delete the video and then you can just press OK to confirm. Alright, so now you know how to delete a YouTube video. Alright guys, time to wrap up this video. Best of luck. Enjoy the rest of your video making days. Bye.